The paper. Hello. For your registration. It's nice here. It's not hot.
That's long. Going for a walk. Susunduin niya yung anak ko. Malapit na raw sila. Sunduin niya sa gate. Maglakad tayo dito sa malapit sa tubig. May playground dito. Ang dilim na kasi. Ayun dun sa ayun, tubig baba, medyo malayo. Ayoko bumaba dun. Diyan, baba mo dyan yung tubig. Pwede mag swimming dun. Yun ba yan, malamig? Malamig, giniginawa ko. Nagsisweater nga ako, balik tayo sa camper. Ginawa ko. Yan o, yung tubig nandito lang. Malapit. Saan dito yung aming site? Pataas. Yan na, madilim na. Paano pa sila rito magsiset ng set up pa sila ng tent? Makikita ba nila yan? They're here. Dito na sila.
Yes.
We went on the other side.
Oh my God.
The GPS don't take you right to the entrance?
No. It leads us to the different one, the private one.
Really? Because it took us right here. What is it? Got a light?
Yeah. Like inside.
Oh really?
Yeah, I bought
It
that.
comes with it or
No, no.
it's separate?
Separate. Magkakam kasi sana kami ng mga friends ko, but
Never happened. Pag pinaplano, hindi natutuloy.
You that, I'm gonna eat the shrimp.
Oh, you already cooked it? Oh, no.
No, it's,
Already cooked.
where is it? Oh, there.
Okay. Is there like a station?
What happened? Ano ba yan?
Parang hinihigop niya yung hangin.
Baka hindi nakapasok yung ano.
Ako po, ano kasi siya? Wait lang, wait lang.
Baka may
Tanggalin natin ito. Ha? Isa pa.
Yan.
Isa pa.
Yan, baka mas malakas yan. Malakas pa ihip ko dyan.
Dinudugo na.
Baka pumasok yung lamok.
Bigyan mo lang yung ano.
Ayan, start na tayo magluto.
I got all the gadgets.
It's working? Oh.
Hard.
Tingnan nyo nga ito kung luto na to. Tayo lang kakain, hindi siya kain. Hindi raw siya nagugutom. Kunin ko yung ano doon, yung kanin, tsaka yung... Ha? Kayo, kung mag-ano kayo, mag-tinapay kayo. Ilagay mo na rito yung keso. Mga ngahoy. Mga ngahoy. Oh, ang dami nyo nakuha ah. Sundang yun, Rambo nga eh.
Hindi naman pwede pa. Ano malalaki?
Ayaw ko meron ata siya. Pang-chat.
Eh, kahoy ka na sa doon. Bakit?
Eh, hanggang bukas pa kami eh.
Ay, ito yung hinahanap mo.
Oo nga, bago.
So, ubos na nga yung
Oo.
Mga live ngayon. Delete na yung mga live.
Oh, live pa naman ata yung live.
Hindi. Video yun. Kasi nilagyan ko ng ano yun, tugtog. Nilagyan ko ng music.
Ha?
Yeah. We're going fishing.
Fresh. Perfect.
Nag-rent kami ng boat para makapag-fishing kami. Oh my God! Hala! Bakit doon mo ilagay? Bakit na?
Naglilinis ako ng paa. Tulungan ka dito na.
Gladys, did you grab the one?
Yeah.
Wow. Survivor Island.
Right there is good for.
Dito tayo sa likuran. Hindi tayo magbo-boat ay mag-row.
Lagyan mo yung gamit.
I'll sit here in the front.
Yeah, you're the captain. You're the who is the second?
The seat is hot.
Doon kayo dalaw sa likod.
Lagi dapat isa magpapado sa likod sa isa sa harap.
Dito ako sa gitna eh. Doon kayo sa likuran.
It's heavy. What do you got in that thing?
Oh my god, that's so heavy.
Look at a fish. Right there, a baby fish.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the baby fish. Maliligo. Oh, akat na dyan.
Wait lang, huwag mag-iwan ang pato, hindi ko
Pero
makakita.
mo ano.
How's the water?
Cold.
It's not too bad.
No, we can swim later.
Ba't talaga sa mga...
Uy, ikot.
Kaya nga, doon nga yung harap.
All right, now you can use two. And you do them both the same. You don't have to go really deep with them.
I can do this.
No, you can't. JJ's
No?
in the row seat. You get the hang of it. You gotta lift them out of
Oh,
the
bakit
water.
babalik ka na naman?
Dapat ano,
Both
sabay.
at the same time.
Yeah.
And you don't have to go that deep.
Itong instructor natin, ang gulo rin eh.
Do both at the same time.
Yeah, pwede ka na maging rower.
1, 2.
Panglaban na to sa ano. Pilipinas Got Talent. But we're not moving.
Bali mo maano tayo, layo naman natin.
Ano?
Ano ba yun? Malalim na dito.
Ready ka na?
Gladys, huwag kang malikot dyan, Gladys. Hindi tayo pareho laro ng lumangoy.
Dapat dito kayo, dyan ako.
We're not going home until we can catch fish. Oh, there's a bird there. That's a bird, right?
Saan kaya?
Right? What is that? It's a bird. It looks like a bird. I don't know what's that.
Kahoy.
Ay, kayo ba yun?
Mababa
Kala
pa
ko ibon. Paano tayo makapag-fishing? Takot tayo gumalaw. Isa lang pala dinala natin.
Dalawa yun. Ito. Tatlo nga. Ano na tayo vacation pag na?
Yung signal eh.
Hindi naman malinaw.
Ay, ang lalim na. Eh, siyempre hindi tayo marunong lumangoy.
Iiyak talaga ako.
Eh, gusto mong mag-fishing, ha? Ayan.
Wala kayo. Siguro lang ako nasa.
Stop!
Don't rock the boat, baby.
No!
Don't flip the boat over.
You're not even fishing.
Rock the boat, baby. You know that one?
Yeah.
Hindi mo nagagawa.
No, you should stop here. So he can catch fish. Hayaan mo lang.
For the fish.
Wala, butas. Hindi, yung ano ko, basa.
Ah.
Here we go. This side?
You could just stop it and win.
Oh, we don't have a bucket.
That's
the
too
catch of
small.
the day.
Ay, binabalik niya.
Maybe world record.
What kind of fish is it?
That's a perch. See the line?
Oh,
Ooh.
you can use that as a bait.
Yeah, for the big fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, ma, it's your time to shine.
Hinahin tayo na malaki. Lagyan namin ng ganyan kasi.
No, may nahuli ka na.
Ito ba naman wala?
Your little fish is still there?
Bait.
Nagnganga na naman to eh. Stop nga. Wala po kaming nahuling isda.
Inuwi na katawa.
Napakaliit ang nahuli namin. Paano tanghali na?
Laking boy. Dapat na yun.
Tulog na yung mga ano, mga isda.
Malalim dati sa gilid talaga.
Kakatakot sa gitna. We are the sun.
Isda na.
We can still use this later? Oh yeah. If it's not too hot. I think when the sun down. When the sun goes down. After 100 years. We're almost there. Ang ganda ng ano, Bob. Balik kami sa camper. Tapos na mag-fishing. Nagutom na sila. Nagutom na pala kami. Malambot ang lupa. Nasunog na ako.
There's a Wi-Fi hookup.
That looks good too. Empanada. It looks sweet. What is that? Dirt? Yeah. Hold on. Garage sale 200. Edgemont Road. Saan ang ice cream? Oh, that's big. Oh, yeah, napkin. Yeah, that's what I'm looking. Napkin. Thank you. That's mine.
Shall we?
May lasa. Parang barila.
Ay, may tao na doon.
I'll show you these sites down here.
Huh? Where
These
you going?
kids. I want to show you these sites.
Go.
Next time we come here, we'll stay down here. Right by the water.
And where is the restroom here?
Right up here.
You should pick the one that
What's this number?
by the
What's this
Here?
number?
what's number? There's the number 6.
6. 5 is tiny.
Yeah, that's so small.
I wouldn't even get the camper in there.
That's the restroom.
Yeah.
I killed the fire. Bye bye Lincoln Pound. Where is the next? I forgot the next one.